Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. The previous video that I just posted is V's Love Me Again. So now I'm gonna react to Rainy Day that just came out today, actually. I think it was today or yesterday, I don't remember. But yeah, I'm gonna react to the lyrics first, the translation from Korean to English, and then I'm gonna watch the music video without the captions. So I'll be concentrated on just the whole music video on its own, him singing, and yeah. So let's get straight to it. I kept saying rainy day, I just realized. So yeah, it's rainy days. I'm gonna rewind it a little bit because I'm like, there's like sound effects of mobile clicking, texting, I guess. Is it like a song where you're missing someone in the rain while it's raining? Maybe.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시 Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say?
This is exactly what I was thinking earlier. Like, is it about rainy days? Like, during those rainy days, you're missing someone, you're thinking about someone, and now it is exactly like that. It's so catchy. It feels like it has like the lo-fi kind of music vibe. Um, but yeah, it's so catchy. Like, you can literally listen to this when it's raining. It really has that proper vibe, the perfect vibe for a rainy day, really. You can either get sentimental about it while listening to it, or I don't know, use it as like some revision kind of playlist. Those kind of lo-fi music. That's what it reminds me of. The background of it.
Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most.
Okay, wait a second. I thought when his deep voice came in and saying it like spoken word, I thought it was someone else. I felt like I had to check the info, the title, if it says feature something that I missed. But it's just V. Okay, I need to rewind that. What? That just caught me off guard. Oh my gosh, okay.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to
His voice just went so much deeper in this verse, like this verse before this second chorus or third chorus. His voice was so much deeper. I mean, I have no problem with that, but I didn't expect that to come in like that. Because it was just like a little instrumental playing, and then all of a sudden he came up with this verse, and I'm just like, I got caught off guard. I was like, wait, what? So I've got like chills. I got chills when he's doing that verse. Oh wow. And I have to say, I think I've mentioned this before, I'm not sure, but I'm so proud of their English, how it's improved and how much English they're putting into their Korean songs. I mean, I don't care if they sing a full song in Korean, like I can find a translation somewhere. But the fact that they're adding it in is also kind of nice. So, yeah.
Say we should know how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? We should know how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Ah, oh my gosh. That's a good song. That is a good song. That is another good song by V. Taehyung. That is another good song. Sometimes it's so hard to give you guys a reaction, like to explain my reaction, or like do a little commentary because I need to like do like a little review or maybe, but it's like I'm overwhelmed by them. Like they're. Okay, for now I'm gonna move on to the actual music video that just came out. So, and then I will maybe do another proper commentary, but I'm gonna remove the captions like I said earlier and just watch the whole video. Okay, what is this? Why is there so many V's staring my way? Like why? Oh my god, I didn't expect that. I didn't This is a whole different concept compared to Love Me Again. Okay. This looks more like vintage, kind of candid. I mean, Love Me Again was kind of vintage because it did have the nostalgia um, vibe of the karaoke and the volume and the old TVs, but still, what is going on? Oh my, they multiplied. Did you guys see that side view? Okay, there's more side views coming. Are they gonna keep attacking us with multiple V's just staring? Is this gonna happen like this? I'm gonna try to pause it in this upper side view. Guys, what? Look at him! It's a little dark, but look at that with the little ear cuff and the blonde hair. Oh my god. And it's just. I mean, he doesn't have a bad angle, but wow. Oh my gosh.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? We should know how.
Yontan is in this video. I did, of course, when they were doing like little promos for the layover, they showed like photos of like some visual photos of Yontan, of him holding him, and yeah, and then I think I saw a tweet saying that finally Yontan has his future in the video. Like, oh my god, I love the set, even though it's a little messy, but it shows exactly like how he's feeling, etc. This is giving, the set is giving futuristic vibe with the big windows, the lamps like that, and then this probably is a TV with an antenna. But it gives like, I guess it's really trying to explain that he's just been miserable and sad, and he's been waiting for these texts from this someone. So yeah, I'm gonna rewind it a little bit to Yontan here because he just left. I'm gonna see him again.
Days I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge.
What the hell? You're kidding. No, please tell me. Is that real or is that fake? This. It's a V with birds like shaping V. Like that, if that even makes sense. But what? Is that real? Uh, Whoa. I was like distracted by the building because the building looks amazing. Like this is very kind of futuristic kind of thing. But then this, what? I'm like, what? Are they real? Okay. Okay, stop it. Stop it, Crystal. Get back to the video.
My phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Oh.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할
What's going on? What's going on? I'm like so invested in this video. I feel like I like this video concept more than the Love Me Again, maybe because it's just so like abstract. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I can find words later, but what? Okay. Let's rewind this because this verse is my favorite. I am loving this verse.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again,
What?
open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm
What?
thinking.
Is he using like a loaf of bread to paint? What's going on here? I'm confused. But the transition from the sculpture heads to him on the table making the actual heads that was kind of sick. Then he was carving V for layover. Oh my gosh, wait, where are you? I'm gonna replay this whole thing.
All the time we lost, we can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to.
Whoa, what is this? Like, yeah, V has a symmetrical face for sure. That's the first thing that came to mind when all these lines start lining up.
Say we should know how to find the way right back to you.
Oh, they added his little drawing. Oh my god, wait. Sorry guys. I am loving this whole concept. I'm sure you can tell by now. But these silhouettes of V, because I love like silhouettes kind of photos, like shadow kind of photos, or drawing wise. But this, then they added his little drawing. They made his drawing to a little animation. Is that like wings? Um, what? This whole image, I am loving it. Oh, I love this video. I am loving, this is the tiniest details. I don't know if V has like, I'm sure V has, like each member have like been included in the whole making of the concept and organizing what needs to be in the video, what needs to be edited out, what needs to be more cut or whatever. I'm sure they have full-on input in it. But this is so cool. Like, I'm gonna rewind that a little bit. A second. That. So rainy days, it's like it's a check. It's like it's done. Rainy days is done. Now let's move on to the next one. Like, that's my observation of that. But what? It's this, the details. I'm gonna pause it somewhere so I can talk for a sec. I love this one where what is it? Where he is here and then it's like a little video being recorded and you can tell that then he sits by himself, because at first I was like thinking, why is he putting two plates out? I'm sure he's by himself. And then it flashes back to the video recording. So that's and the one who's actually sitting on the chair is Yontan this time. So yeah, obviously it's supposed to be for someone else, but it's so cool. And then he just pours a lot of sugar because he just doesn't care anymore, I guess, and just numb. But oh my gosh. Like I said earlier, like it's a futuristic vibe, but it's like a futuristic slash how do you say? It's like half and half. It's like 60s or 70s vibe slash modern. Like made into modern. That's how I feel. I don't know what he's circling here. I don't know if there's another meaning behind that, but it's so this set is amazing as well. The set is amazing. Look at that. All that greenery just growing there. I love this video. I absolutely love this video. That'll be the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye! Bye!